Can you move down for a man and me? Move over. Thank you.
All right, here we go. Brookline versus Lightning in the championship game for Cadet. This is going to be a tough matchup. Pink versus pink.
All right, here we go. Balls just dropped. Cadet championship here. Brookline in the black with the pink numbers. Pittsburgh Lightning in the pink with the black numbers. Should be a good game. These teams played to a 1-1 tie yesterday in the round robin. The Lightning goaltender was incredible. That's what earned them the tie and the #1 seed. Brookline in their semifinal, they beat the Outlaws 3-1. Lightning beat the Reapers 1-0. Once again, Brookline in the black, Lightning in the pink. Turnover there. Shot 90, blocked down. 93 up the boards, picked off. 77 loose. 2 chances there off turnovers by Brookline. Up for 15. Bouncing ball. 93 picks it up. 93 gains the zone. Lightning now. They get it out. 18 up for 15. Got to shoot that. Quick snapshot wide. And yesterday during the round robin, the Lightning goaltender, Brookline easily could have scored 5 or 6 goals. He made some incredible saves. See if he does the same thing here.
No penalty. That's it.
42 versus 11. 11 trying to drive up the boards. Thrown in behind. 81. Fans on the clear. 81 now. Up for 10. Off his stick. Shot. Bouncing up in the air. 24 now in. 24. Gets to it. 42 chases. 24. Behind the goal. Pivots to the forehand. Got a cutter. Shot. Oh, 34. Oh, just misses. 24. Nice look for 34 Cutton coming off the bench. Lightning gets it in.
Hard.
3's there. 3. Nice pivot. 3 now. Learn that reversal from 34. 3 dumps in. He's in deep. Looks to center. Nobody home. Chance here for Lightning. Lightning carries. They dump in. 24. Picks it up. 61. 24 carries. Trying to go tape to tape. 24. Looking to go all the way. Finally gets broken up by the double team there. Lightning 61. Is that McCain right there? Yeah. 61. Brookline gets it back in deep. 24 is off. And goal. 7 on the goal. I just who got that? Number 10. That's why now. 10 on the feed.
Oh, do you really? Then why'd you ask?
First 7. For some reason, I wasn't paying attention there.
Why don't you say the names? Like, everybody knows who they are. Why don't you just say the names?
Oh, here we go. 93. Wins the draw to 15. And deep now for Brookline. 83 looking to feed. Bouncing ball here. 18. Tries to get it up to 93. Up out of play. 6:35 and counting. Running clock here in the first period. Brookline up 1-0 off the 7s. Goal. 93. Ooh, thrown towards the goal off the draw. 52 now. 18. He gets doubled. 15 up the boards. Nobody there for Brookline. Shot. 93 gets a piece of it. 18 up for 15. 15 up for 93. He'll take it away. Loose chance. 52 and 20. 52 throws it from his knees. 83's got some room. 83 trying to get by 9. 83 fast move. 83 throws it across. 83 with the burst of speed past 9. Thrown in. That'll be on goal, and she'll go ahead and cover and freeze that. All right, in for Brookline, 33, 66, 13 on the draw.
Let's go, you guys got to work.
13 wins it. Oh, loses it now. Shot. Oh, deflected just wide off the defenseman's leg. 34 now, trying to drive up the boards. Oh, nice move. Gets it to 13. Back for 34. 34's in deep. 66 drops back for him.
Come on, Grant, run.
Lightning now trying to clear the zone. Kept in by 66. Battle on the boards there. Thrown across. Behind the goal now. 13. He gets bodied up. 13 still battling. Lightning. They try to dig it out.
That's a Grant.
To the point. 3. Long shot. Ooh, just misses. Not by much. 34 now. He pinches. Gets it in deep for 66. 90 picks it up. 90. 3. Oh, knocked down in front. To the point again. Nope. Taken away. 77's in.
That wasn't a good pass.
77 battles 34. Shot. Waffle boarded up in the air. 3 now. 3. Oh, gets taken down. They call that 90 with the clothesline.
Good shift, Grant.
Brookline draws the penalty.
That's how you play right there. Find your points.
Oh, here's the big man with the 2 goals today. Then you.
I made it there in time.
Yeah, I know. You know he showed up here first, right?
Yeah.
He showed up here like 15 minutes before the game. He's like,
I forgot the game was in Brooklyn. Wait, how did you find out? Did you ask somebody?
No,
I came down and everyone was like, Caleb, you came to D2. Oh my god. Wait, you drive? And my mom was there.
all right, 7 on the draw for Brookline to the right of the Lightning goaltender. Thrown up in the air. Brookline on the power play here. Pressure coming, shorthanded by 24.
Other shot.
Power play here for Brookline. 93. Got to gain the zone here. 93 throws it in for 24.
That was a nice entry.
Yeah, that was 24. 24, bottom of the circle. Up for 7. 7 down for 24. 93. He's going to pop that. Long shot. Oh, misses. Short side. Comes out the back. 18 trying to keep. He bodies up 24. 18 now. Takes it under. 24 follows him all the way. Back for 24. 24. Looking to curl to the point. 7. Shot in the circle. Misses again. High. Brookline's got to put these on goal. And they airmail it down.
Coming!
35 seconds left on the power play for Brookline. Pressure coming from 61. Takeaway. 61 trying to drive in. Loose. Loose. Still loose. 18 comes to the rescue. Picks it up. Over 93. Pressure coming again. Back to 18. Good pressure by 61 there. Led to a chance. Up to 93. 93 is going to walk it across. Long shot. Ooh, just over. Yeah, goal actually ducked there. Over the goal. Stuck into the fence. 9 seconds left. And counting on the power play. It'll be released here after the drop. Penalties will be released after the ball drops. We got 1:45 and counting left in the first. All right, penalties released. Good penalty kill by Lightning there.
Get it in.
13 gets doubled. Realizes they just came off the bench. 13 in the circle. Shot. Ooh, just deflected. Why? Behind the goal. Centering pass. Loose in front. And cover. Nice centering pass by 15.
Wait, what?
Had 93 on the doorstep. 93 will take the drop for Brookline. 1:20 left in the first. Thrown on. Now to the boards. Oh, thrown across again. A lot of action by that Lightning goaltender right now. Shot again. 15. Just misses. 13 on the boards. 13 gets bodied up. 9 try to body him up. Lightning dig it out. 90. He walks it across.
Go.
Long shot. Misses wide. 93 off on a change. 24's on. 45 seconds left here. Brookline. 13. Looking to curl. Taken away. 24 now. Bottom of the circle. Tries to throw it on. Across the goal mouth. Shot. 15. Oh, what a save there by the Lightning goaltender. Brookline's trying to hurry up here. 20 seconds and counting. They want to drop before the end of the period. 15 seconds and counting. 8 seconds. Shot 7 off the draw. Just throw it in front. Behind the goal. And that's going to be it. End of the first period. Brookline 1, Pittsburgh Lightning 0. All right, here we go. Start of the second period. Brookline up 1-0, 24 now. Gains the zone off the draw, 24. Looking to put on a move. 15 drops down. Burning deep for 7.
Everyone was so happy.
7 now, along the boards. 24's on him. 7 spins out of it. Tries to go to 18, little off. 18 up for 10. Behind the goal here. Curls, shot. Deflected wide. 10 now, trying to get it out. 24 now. 24, picks it up. 24's in. Nice poke check there, recovery. 24 picks it up. 24.
Oh my God.
Thrown in deep. 11's there for Brookline. 77 in pursuit. 11 still driving up the boards. 11 loses his footing. 13 dips it. Shot. Save. Glove save. 13, they want him off on the fly. 18 now.
Lower for him.
18 now. He carries. Loses it. Chance here for Lightning. Shot. Behind wide. 77 now behind the goal. Taken away. 33. 33, a little lob pass.
That was a good pass.
Come on, Griff, pressure.
Yeah.
Force to one side.
Lightning up to 61. 42 picks it up off the board. Shot. Save. Rebound.
Good job.
3 now. 3 dumps in. 3 now gets doubled. 3 tries to body him up. 13 comes away with it. Cutter. 3. 33 along the boards. 16's on him. Dumps back deep. 66 got to get there. He does. 66.
That's it, Griff.
66, putting some body in there. 61 now, tries to feather that pass up to 42. 18's there for Brookline. 7:15 left in the second. Oh, thrown on.
Good job, Griff.
Blocked down. 93, fresh legs. Lightning takes it away. They pass up that shot from the point. 3's in, gives it up. 15 now in transition. 15 trying to get in deep here. Got some people on the doorstep. 15 working. 16's on him. 15 still working. Going to the forehand. Oh, nice takeaway by 16. 15 now the recovery. 15 bodies him up. Got a battle here. Look, got some work in front too. And gonna be a dead ball.
Good hustle, Matt.
Good work, Matt.
6:30 left here, and the second. Brookline's still tied. Brookline's still up 1-0. 93 takes the drop for Brookline. 19 for Lightning. Loose in the circle. 93 tries to throw it on. Oh, loose. Bouncy ball. Rebound. Oh, just misses. 83. Just wide. Up out of play. Draw will be down here, and Brookline's offensive zone. Big opportunity there for Brookline. 83 on the doorstep. 83 wins the draw cleanly. Back to the point. Bouncing ball, though. Lemon's there. Gets it back in. Feather to 83. 83. Shot.
Find the area, Jake.
83 now. 9's on him. 9. 83. Back. Trying to go back to 83. 83 back. Trying to go back to 93, I mean. Behind the goal. Lightning. Nice pivot. 91. 83 now. Pressure coming. He gets doubled. Throw him back down. 91. Turns up. 11. Nice pinch. 11. Oh, nice shot from 11. That was going top shelf. Goaltender got a glove on it.
I like that they're not running just 2 lines.
All right, in for Brookline, 24, 10, 7. Back at the points, still 11 and 18. Bouncing ball, 18. Tries to keep. 24 now. 24. Do a double team. Oh, good look for 10. 24. To the point, 11. Loose in front. Oh, big save. 10. Rebound. Another save. Good shift here from 24.
Guys, good shift. Good shift. Always keep a minute.
Big saves. Yeah, once again, this game's very reminiscent of yesterday's round robin. A goaltender having some huge saves right here. Thrown in deep. 18 will get there for Brookline. 77 coming with the forecheck. Around the boards. They pinch on that. Thrown up. Bench is calling for 10 to get off. He's been out there for a while trying to get some fresh legs out. Oh, 10. Nice little pivot. Up the boards. Thrown in. 7. 24 now. Flown up in the air for 77. 18 now for Brookline. Up for 10.
Yeah, he doesn't play hockey anymore.
24. Up for 15. Bouncing ball, 90. 24 now. Retreats. 24. Looking for a lead pass for 15. Let him a little too much. 24 now. Got a motor. He's in. He gains his own.
That's it, Danny. Let's go, Danny.
Nice play by 24. Pokes that away. 24. Oh, 24 comes out of the double team. Long shot. 24 deflected way wide. 21's all in for Brookline. 0 for 24. Got some room here. Dumps it in deep. He's off on a change. 7 now. 7 thrown in front for 21. And cover.
That's it, Harley.
3:55 left here in the second. Brookline still clinging to a 1-goal lead, 1-0. 33 out there.
You're so tough.
With 21 and 97.
Bro, I ain't having this, no.
At the points, 34 and 3. 33 wins the draw. 97 shot, just misses. 33 behind the goal. And gonna call the net off here.
He definitely does. Look over these. Don't I look over? Hey, no, keep him on. They're good luck for this.
All right, 33 takes the drop again.
Now, do I rock them better than
12 for Lightning. 97 trying to keep it in. 34 dumps it in deep. 33. 33 turn and shoot. Oh, rebound. Oh, goal! 21. I'll tell you, first of all, 33. What a shot from 33. A fadeaway turn and shoot from a bad angle. 33 with a hard shot.
He's playing a great game.
21 did what he was supposed to do and get to the goal. Poked home the rebound, but 33, that ball was going away from him. He turned and shot it on a fadeaway, got it on goal. 97 clears his own release. Was looking to feather that to 21. 33, put a move on. 33, looking to slice and dice. 97. 33's having a great game. 97. 97. Thrown on, save, Brookline.
That's my guy.
Lightning getting in deep. Shot. Save to the corner behind the goal, and she's trying to cover. Loose still. Loose. Looking to curl.
Get on the point.
Yeah, point is wide open. Shot. Side of the net again. Loose. Oh, they got lucky there. Brookline, I tell you, lucky they did not go to the point. Everybody was sucked down into the crease area. A couple of big saves by Brookline. 2:31 left.
wish I was sad.
2:31 left here. 61 takes the face-off for the Lightning.
I mean, we could have at the beginning, but no one could.
93 takes it for Brookline. He wins it cleanly back. 18 tries to get it up the boards, up out of play.
Don't let the kid out. It's all good, Caleb. If that would have broke, I would have.
All right, ball's thrown around. Lightning now. Throw it back in deep. Brookline's there. 18. 18. Oh, takeaway. Shot. Just wide. Behind the goal. 18 around the boards looking for 15. 15 trying to chips up for 93. He's walled off. Behind the goal again. 18 now. Up for 93. Up for 13. Still got to gain the zone. 93 gets it over. 15 now. Trying to get it in deep. 15 tries the center. 93. 1:45 left in the second. Brookline up 2-0.
That's a grinder.
Bouncing ball. 93. 24 retreats. 24. Lob pass for 42. Cut off by 18. 18. Long shot. Oh, just over the goal. 24 now. Takeaway. 93. Long shot. Blocked. Big block by 18. Offsides there on the Lightning.
They are getting mad. They're getting mad.
How mad are they?
It could easily be 10-0.
I want to see a fight, dude. Like, it's no shit.
Did you see the one yesterday? Yeah. Up Forest.
Were they fighting?
Yeah, Forest. It was like a fist fight. Yeah.
All right, fresh legs out there for Lightning.
Like pushing, yeah.
7 tries to get it in. He chases 24. 24. Spins out of it. Bouncing ball here. 3 now for Brookline. He carries. 3. Dishes in. Oh, to 46.
My boy Jamie, you. Who shot it?
Baby took a slap shot and hit it.
Once again, man.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I forgot you had a
Big game.
All right, 19 versus 24. 19 throws it in. 3 there for Brookline. They gain the zone. 7 in deep. 191 takeaway. Oh, they call penalty there.
Wait, what? How is that penalty on him, Rav?
How is that a penalty?
Buy new glasses, dog.
Fuck Todd.
Todd wrecked my game.
Hey, quit talking shit on the ref.
All right, we have some.
That was a horrible call. Ed Bittner, throw your jersey on the deck. Ed Bittner, throw the shirt on the deck.
All right, penalty here on Brookline. Big opportunity for Lightning to get back in this game. 42 seconds left in the period. Tossed out. 10 now, coming with the pressure. 42, takes it back. 42. Lightning's got to gain the zone here. Over to 42. Pressure coming from 10 again. Loses footing. 10 gets it across. 24. 10 takes it away. Thrown all the way down. Lightning coach is not happy right now. And Brookline forces a freeze by their goaltender. 17 seconds left in the period. Brookline trying to kill this penalty. Shot. 10 now, just trying to kill some time. 61 takes it away. Oh, 10. Oh, 10 puts on a little move. 3 seconds. And that's going to be it. Good effort by 10 there. And end of the second period, Brookline still up 2-0. 18 seconds left on the power play for Lightning to start the third. All right, here we go. And I just said start of the third period if we started the power play. Obviously, this is start of the second period. Brookline up 2-0. Lightning is on the power play here for 18 seconds to start the period. Brookline looking good right now. Goals from 7 and 21. Shot. Quick wrist shot. Goaltender was on. 18 gets it out. 24 throws it over. Long shot. Oh, Jesus. High. 18 thrown down deep. 24 now. Penalties released. 5-on-5 hockey. Good penalty kill by Brookline. 10's going to jump this. Got to shoot that. Thrown in front, across. Oh! 4-7 again. 24 got it across to him. 3-0 Brookline. 9:30 left here, early in the second period.
Ron, tell Phil to hurry up. Ron, tell Phil to hurry up.
Oh my! I remember I used to be assistant for like
24 in, power move, 24, shot. Ooh, just misses, side of the net. 24 now behind the goal. Lightning trying to clear the zone. 90 trying to drive. Nice keep there by 11. 7 now in the circle. 24 back to 7, blocked off.
Come on, Danny.
24. Look at a curl. Tries that backdoor pass to 10. 10 now. They body him up. 90 takes it away. Nice little lead pass. Lightning's across. 3-on-2 if they hurry. Oh, quick wrist shot. Oh, disaster. Bouncing ball. Shot. Almost did a. Almost bouncing off the goalie back into the goal. 7 now. Drop pass for 93. Picked off. Oh, 18. Read that. Wall that off from 77. The lead pass to him. 15. Shot. And gloved. By the Lightning goaltender. 8:27 left here. And in the second period, Brookline up 3-0. And there for Brookline, 93 will take the face-off. Where is he?
I don't know.
Thrown in deep. Wait, it is the third period, isn't it? Which period is it? Third. Oh, it's the third. Why am I?
What? Dude, it says right there.
Wait, no. What period is it right
It's the
now?
third, John.
third.
Why is Vicky down here?
She started down here.
No, she didn't. You're
Yes, she
wrong.
did.
Watch your video.
I'm confused now.
Yeah.
Confused. Are you sure?
Yeah, that's why me and Phil went down there and that was cool. Those are mine.
Hey, how do I look at these?
Terrible. Ethan looks like
better than
Because I didn't play with him. Ethan looks like He said he's going to get ready.
Where's he getting ready? His team is here. He's by?
Yeah, that's right.
I'm sorry, it's the third period. I'm confused. 7:30 left in the third. All right, 3-0 Brookline. Bouncing ball at the red line. Oh, nice shot. Loose ball. Good work by 61. 15 in the slot. It came to him. He put it 5-hole. All right, 7 minutes left. Game far from over. 3-1 Brookline. 7:03 left.
This is their first one. They're taking the power line.
Go, Sam! Come on, Danny! Come on, Danny!
24 now. Battles for it.
Do they play right after this? Yeah. So Justin has back-to-back games.
You want to get over here? What are you doing?
No, I know, but
You're sitting at the door. Your whole team's over here. You better get your shit together.
why do you say Jesus?
All right, chipped out. And cover there. right, 6:30 left here. Brookline up 3-1. Are you sure that Vicky was down here twice?
Yes, John.
That's weird. No, it's weird because usually Elmore the offense shoots twice.
Yeah.
So why did I start down here?
Yeah, it's because the first period was like that.
All right, thrown out by Lightning. 6:20 left here. 34, pressure coming. Throws it around for 3. 9, bodies him up. 7. 7 takes it right across the goal mouth. 7 up for 10. 10 tries to hit 24. 24 chips it to himself.
Come on, Danny!
He gets bodied up, spins out of it. 24, quick wrist shot. Save there.
No, they're just
Thrown up in the air. Shot, 7, blocked down. 24 in the circle. Battle for it. 24. Tries to go to the point. Bouncing ball. 3 now. 3. Nice move. 3's in. Oh. Delayed penalty here. Thrown across. Looking for 13. 13 now. 6 on 5 here. Extra attacker. 34. Shot. 24. All right, chance here for Brookline really to help put this game away. 5:14 left in the third. They're up 3-1, and now they're on the power play. Seven to the point, right off the draw. 3 gives it up. 18. Back for 3. 3. Skip pass for 93. He fans on it. Behind the goal. 24 now. Over for 7. Along the boards. 7 for 3. Back to 18. 18. Oh, poked out of here. 30 seconds left on the power play. 3. Nice reversal. 90 chases. Up for 7. He gains his own. Long shot. Short side. Rebound comes out. 3 in front. Oh, 24 just misses it. Nice pass by 3. 18 to the point. 18. Long shot. Wide right. 10 seconds left on the power play. 18 over to 93. 93 wide short side. Rebound. 7 throws it in front. Oh, bouncing ball. 24 now. All even. 24 looking to curl. Poked away by 90. 90 throws it down. That'll be an ice. 4:01 left here. Brookline still up 2 goals. Big penalty kill though by Lightning.
There's like a spot of like, wait, turn your head. Wait, no, move your head. No, there's like a spot and there's no hair. There's like hair sitting right here. There's like a gap. Like your other hair.
My other hair?
Okay, look. Your hair line. And then there's like a gap and it's just like your head. And then like another little piece of hair. Like,
Shot. 11, right off the draw, just misses. Behind the goal now.
My helmet messes my head.
15,
Good job, Matt.
he gets bodied up. 83 trying to help him out. To the point, Lightning trying to clear the zone. They do. 11 though, 11. 11, round the boards. They pick that off, shot, blocked, 18 blocks it, throw it in front. Lightning keeps, shot, bouncing ball to the point. 24 now, quick wrister high. 9 now, 11's on him. 9 bodies him up. He's good. And we got an injury timeout here. 11's down. We'll be back. All right, as you can see here, we're back from the injury timeout. It was quite a while. Ambulance here had to come in for number 11. Probably at the very least, concussion. Possible neck injury. Had to play it safe there, obviously. Shot, rebound. loose. 3 minutes left here. Brookline on 3-1. Shot again. Cover. Oh. Loose still. 18 clearing out for his goaltender.
Let's go, Black.
3:02 left here. Brookline up 3-1. 24. Shot. Wide. 93. Trying to carry. 93. Quick wrister and glove.
Even when you played offense, I've never played offense.
All right, 24 takes the draw for Brookline. Up, false start there. Going to redrop that. 2:51 left. 7 trying to go to the point. Cut off. 24 now. 7 comes away with it. Tries to pop it. 93 gets it back in deep. 24 hard around the boards. Took an odd bounce there. Still in deep. 18 up in the air and up out of play.
You don't have any visual.
24 takes the draw. Up the boards to the point. 18 long shot. Pad save to the boards. 93 he pinches. 24 pivots. Tries to center for 93. Just misses. 7 throws it across for 93 again. Good keeps here. 18 quick wrist shot save. 2 minutes left. Brookline still up 2 goals. 18 just gets by him. 18 now. Throws it under for 10. 10 up for 93. Nice look. 7 for 24. Tries to feather that through. Nice read by 44. 7's in. Shot. And oh, loose. Collision there. All right, 90 seconds left. Goaltender's out, after attacker. 42, he turns, goes to the forehand. 42, nice play by 7, clears the zone. 24 now. 24 to the point. Lightning trying to keep. 15, short hand, 15, trying to empty net. Chance. Oh my God. Oh no. 15 couldn't put it in from 3 feet away. Brookline trying to end this. 50 seconds left. 18. They're trying to double the ball here. 13. Shot and goal. That'll end it. Brookline up 4-1 with 43 seconds left. $90 now, trying to gain the zone. 24 puts a move on. 24 and 34 on him. Thrown out, 15. Shot, thrown across. 20 seconds left. Shot, locked down. 3 now there for Brookline. 10 seconds left. Nobody get boarded here. 3 with the pivot. 19 trying to body him up. 3 seconds. That's going to be it. And final score, Brookline 4, Lightning 1. And obviously, everybody I'm sure right now is hoping 11 for Brookline is okay. Good tournament by everybody. Brookline, the Cadet Division champions. First time in the first 3 years of this tournament that the Brookline team has won the A bracket in any division. Congratulations, Sad.